Hi guys, this is Beata Khoo from My Sweet Passion Cakes in Brighton, UK. I'm showing you another little tutorial, very simple but really effective, which I have done on wedding cakes, creating corals underwater theme. So what I do need is silicone mat as always, some Isomalt already melted, my blowtorch, and of course my gloves for the safety. So first of all, what I do, I will make a base first, which I just pour and just make a little circle. That's as simple as that, just make a circle on this one. And another one, again, the trick is to have the Isomalt a little bit thicker. It's just come out of microwave, so it's still very hot, but I'll try to do my best. So what I'm doing, I'm pouring and I'm making like a tree, any shape. Can you see it? Like a little, I don't know how you call it, like branches, very gentle. And they look really effective. I'm going to make it like a 3D decoration. So you can see I'm not really paying too much attention how I'm doing it. Just do a few branches. Okay. A little more. Sometimes better a little bit more than not enough, because some of them will look better than others. Just keep pouring it. It's getting thicker now, which is probably better. Sometimes you can break some pieces from it. That's it. It's a beautiful colour, so it should be very effective. Okay, I think for now that's enough. We need to leave it for about 5 minutes until it cools down completely. So we'll be back within 5 minutes. Okay, we are back just past 5 minutes. So I'll just show you how to remove the Isomalt from the mat. You do not pick it up. That's definitely wrong. What you do, you peel the mat from the back. You can watch me doing it. I'm peeling the mat from the back, so the Isomalt just comes out beautifully, just like that. Okay, so I'm going to do all the Isomalt pieces I've done. Again, you peel it. Very important rule in Isomalt. Just remove it. Another one. So I've got a few more here. Some of them I'm sure will break a little bit, chip, but it's not a big deal. That's it, you've got your base, very easily made. Another one here, a little one. Okay, so now we've got all the pieces together. So what do we need? 1 second, make it straight. What we need to start attaching to the base. As we created the base, that's when we need a blowtorch. Please do be careful, it can be very dangerous. Open up a little bit. Okay, so roughly, I think probably the thicker one, it should go here. So I just heat up the base, this one, quite a bit, so don't be shy. That's it. Now you need to hold it. Make sure you hold it, and it will stick. It will not go anywhere, but you need to hold it until it sets. Probably takes a minute or two. Normally I would have a little fan just to blow it, cold it on it. Okay, to go a little bit quicker. And sometimes, you know, you think, oh, it's fine, it's standing, but you leave it and suddenly you can see it's going to fall to one side, so that means it's not ready. Okay? At the same time, I'm going to look what else do I want to attach. I've got another piece here, which, okay, oops, kind of like it. I've got another one here. You see, I'm going to attach this way, next to it. So just hold this one a little bit, still very warm. Okay. Put my low touch again. Hold this one. Try to multitask so it doesn't take too long to show you all this. That's the second one. Okay. Switch off my low touch. That's it. You can see it. Just have to hold it a little bit longer. Same time I'm looking, you shouldn't be looking. You should be doing this one until it's set and then you're looking. But because I've got enough practice, I suppose I can do it quickly. Just looking for another space somewhere else. So I'm going to heat this one up. The bottom, this one, and pop this one here. So it's got a free setup free now. And just hold it. Or you could get a little fan to blow the cold air, it will set a lot quicker. Okay, I'm going to attach all of them and I'll come back to you when it's done and you will see how simple it is. Okay, we are back within 5 minutes. When it's all set, I've attached it. It looks beautiful. I'm going to pick it up. Again, you do not pick it up from the top, you pick it up from the bottom. It's actually quite loose, okay? So I always hold it from the base. Have a look at that. Isn't it gorgeous? For any cake, wedding cake, corals, just make sure you do it just before, obviously, the cake goes out. It'll be absolutely fine. And it's simply beautiful. Hope you enjoy the tutorial. Many more to come. Please visit all the other tutorials I've made. Obviously, how to cook it and how to make it shiny. Follow me on Facebook as well. And I do organise courses if you'd like to join me too. Some more details below. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching.